Right, hello. I'm going to talk about upper and lower bounds of rounded measurements. Let's start by looking at a measurement that's been rounded. Somebody's measured something and measured it to 7 centimeters. What's the smallest measurement it could be in reality? In the audience, what have we got there?
6.5.
6.5. Yeah, anything from 6.5 upwards, if you rounded it to one whole number, would be rounded to 7 centimeters. But what about the largest measurement it could be? One of the young ladies in the audience.
7.49 reoccurring.
7.49 reoccurring. Now, just before we go any further, look at the largest measurement. All I've done is add. Whoops, Daisy. It's not very professional looking. Let's just undo that. I've added 0.49. Let's look at an example where somebody's rounded a measurement to 1 decimal place. Here we go. 4.1 meters. So they've carried out a measurement and then they've decided to round their answer to 4.1. What's the smallest measurement it could be? Another young man in the audience.
4.05 meters.
4.05 meters. If it was 4.05 meters, you would round it up to 4.1. Remember how you round? You put an arrow above the last figure you're keeping, get rid of all the others, and if the first thing you cross out is a 5 or more, which it is in this case, you make the last figure 1 bigger. But what about the largest measurement? What's the largest measurement you could have and it'd be rounded to 4.1? Yes, young lady.
Maybe 4.19.
Oh, not 4.19. 4.19, young lady, you would round to 4.2. Young fellow there.
Would it be 4.149?
4.149 with a dot above the 9 to show it's recurring. And look again, all we've done is we've added 4 and 9 recurring to the 4.1. I think you see the pattern even clearer when we look at our third and last example. Somebody's measured something, this time it's a measure of weight, to 2.17 kilograms. Let's do what's the largest it could be and still be rounded down to 2.17 kilograms. Young man at the front. 2.17. There's the measurement we were given, and correctly 4.9 recurring. But what about the smallest? That takes a bit more calculation. Yes, young fella.
Is it 2.15?
No, not 2.15. I would round that to 2.2. This number here is going to be rounded to 2 decimal places. Yes, young man.
Is it 2.65?
Not 2.65. Young lady.
2.165?
2.165 kilograms. I should have put the units in the other example. And let's see why. If I rounded 2.165 to 2 decimal places, the last figure I keep would be the 6. I'd get rid of all the others. The first thing I crossed out would be a 5, which means the 7 becomes 1 bigger. And that's how you round measurements. Okay, and that enables us to see the lowest value it could possibly be and the largest value it could possibly be. Right, thank you for listening.